guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Back to my channel. I'm Mariah. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. It means so much to me. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you hit that, you will always be notified when I post. I'm posting a lot every day till Christmas. Anyway, it's Saturday morning. Making some bacon and eggs this morning. Some toast. Oh, my toast is burning. So last night I had so much fun with Stephanie. We had such a fun night. We were just like literally laughing probably the whole night. This morning I woke up craving bacon and eggs, so I'm just making a little bacon and egg breakfast sandwich. Today Dylan and I are going to head to Target again. I know we just went last night, but we need to actually get stuff like a snow shovel. Breakfast is complete. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much. You as well.
Thank you. Saturday morning. No grocery shopping today, but still have to get the Roma Joes. My video with Stephanie just went up today. If you haven't watched it yet, we tried all of the Starbucks holiday drinks. And in honor of trying drinks, I got the Aroma Joe's Peppermint Bark iced coffee with almond milk. I've never had it before.
Is it good?
It literally tastes like you're eating peppermint bark.
Tastes like coffee?
Well, it tastes like pepperminty though. It tastes like one of those mints they give, the chocolates they give you after Olive Garden.
The Andes?
Yum. I don't know what they're doing. We just looked at some games and were able to get our other Yankee swap. I met this girl that owns a shop in Portsmouth where I got a gift for someone, and she's like in Target, and I went up to her and said hi, and she was so sweet. Her name's Lauren. You should check out her shop, Otter Creek Homes, or Otter Creek Shop. There's so many people here. We need a shovel. The winter storm's coming and we don't have a shovel. Why is it bent like this? Do you know? The last one. Popped into downtown and got Tom his birthday present and something for Molly for part of her Christmas present. That worked out. It's not like pouring. We're gonna run to the grocery store so that if the power goes out we can have...
Finish your story.
We're going to the grocery store so if the power goes out we can have sandwiches tonight.
Boom. We paid for 30 minutes.
I ran out of flour in a little container thing and I got some at Target, but I also got some gluten-free flour because I try not to eat much gluten anymore. I think it really bothers me, but they had really cheap gluten-free flour at Target, even like almond flour and stuff, because I know that can be really expensive. I think this was 10 bucks. This would be like way more at the grocery store, I feel like. So go to Target if you need gluten-free flour. I'm gonna fill this back up with regular flour, and then I actually have one more, so I think I'll put the gluten-free in this little one. Hi guys, we lost power while I was showering. I literally had only shaved one leg. We're gonna go investigate because it sounds like it's an accident and that it's right by our road. So we're gonna go check it out. We're bundled.
Interlock.
Can I see your eye? I think we found it. It's right at the end of our road, but like down a little bit more. I hope everyone's okay. It's so scary. And in this weather, we're back. We're having some chips and salsa because what else is there to do? We have bets. I said it'll come back on at 5. And Dylan says 6:45. Let's pray for 4 o'clock. I've never been more excited to see light. After 4 hours of no power, we're seeking refuge because my mom somehow has power, bringing our food over to make some dinner. Even though we got stuff to make like if there's no power, but it's so cold that I don't feel like eating because I'm freezing. Found out that a transformer exploded. We're here and no one wants to play games with us, so we're playing Pictionary by ourselves. A lima bean. A poo. A sweet potato. A poop your pants. A stinky pants. A hot pants. Hot pants. Hot pants? Hot pants? What's hot pants? What is that?
Trying to like flame.
Oh.
The sun, a man. Donut, cashew, nasty infection. Dolphin, mountain, pelican.
That's time. Is it a tail? The tip of a tail?
Tip of the tongue.
I literally have no idea. A puzzle piece? Piece of a puzzle? A gun. A bullet. Magic bullet. Smoke. Gun smoke.
There you go.
What the heck is gun smoke?
Barrel, boot, a cowboy boot.
What is it?
There's a cowboy
Just a boot?
Cowboy boot.
12 o'clock, midnight, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, second back time, backwards time, alarm clock?
That doesn't make sense.
Come on, do some more things.
I understand.
I do too.
Turning back the hand time. Daylight savings time.
Turn the clock back.
Clock back.
Hi guys, we're back home. Still have no power. I'm trying to use this light thing for light. We still have no power. My video probably won't be up on time tomorrow, but that's okay. We had a fun night playing Pictionary though, so that was fun, but we're just hoping that it'll come on while we're sleeping. This is not looking good for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Real life, like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.